arrive in style with this Ford 2019 F-150 Raptor. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include rear-view camera, rear-view monitor and dash, steering wheel mounted controls, navigation, steering wheel mounted controls, voice recognition controls, impact sensor alert system, phone voice activated, stability control, electronic messaging assistance with read function and parking sensors. Rear low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.